How to retrieve deleted messages on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can retrieve deleted messages on Messenger. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up Messenger here and tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on the settings icon that you'll find just beside your profile username. Now here you can see my username at the top, bpinbusnet, and beside it you can see a little gear icon. So tap on that gear icon that you'll find and scroll down below until you find the option account settings. Now you can see the second option under account there, account settings. Tap on account settings. Now once on account settings, what you want to do is scroll down below and under your information you'll find the option download profile information. Simply tap on download profile information here, and here you'll be able to request a copy of your data. Now what you want to do is deselect all. Tap on deselect all option that you'll find there, and then here you'll find the third option, messages. You can see messages you have exchanged with other people. Now if you try to request copy of all the data on your Facebook, then it'll take a longer period of time. So what you want to do is just select message, and then what you want to scroll all the way down below and then tap on create file, and once you tap on create file you'll request a copy of your file. Here you can see I have already requested one, and once the file is ready you'll find the notification pop-up coming up on your screen. Once the file is ready for you to download, Facebook will send you notification, and then what you want to do is open this up and you'll find the download option. Here you can see on the screen one file here, 559 MB. Tap on download and download it, and once you download it you can view it on your device, your messages history. So this way you can retrieve deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.